Have you ever found the perfect product on AliExpress but struggled to import it into your online store? Well, today, we're going to solve that problem. We'll show you how to connect your Spocket account to AliExpress, making it a breeze to source and sell trending products. So, let's dive right in. What is Spocket, and why do you need to connect it to AliExpress? Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers worldwide, allowing you to sell their products without holding any inventory. And AliExpress is a massive online marketplace with a vast selection of products. By connecting the two, you can tap into AliExpress's vast resources and easily import products into your Spocket store. Step-by-step guide. Create a Spocket account. If you don't have one already, head over to spocket.com and sign up for a free account. Access AliExpress integration. Once logged in, navigate to your Spocket dashboard and look for the integration section. From there, locate and select the AliExpress integration option. Authorize AliExpress. You will be redirected to AliExpress where you'll need to authorize Spocket to access your account. This allows Spocket to retrieve product information from AliExpress. Sync products. After authorizing Spocket, you can start syncing products from AliExpress to your Spocket store. This process can take some time depending on the number of products you want to import. Filter and customize products. Once the syncing is complete, you can filter and customize the imported products. You can add your own product descriptions, images, and pricing. Import products to your store. Once you're satisfied with the products, you can easily import them into your online store. Spocket integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Tips and tricks. Use Spocket's search functionality. Spocket has a powerful search function that allows you to find products by keyword, category, or supplier. This can help you quickly find the products you're looking for. Check product reviews. Before importing a product, make sure to check the reviews on AliExpress. This will give you an idea of the product's quality and customer satisfaction. Consider shipping times. When choosing products, consider the shipping time from the supplier to your customers. You want to offer fast shipping to ensure customer satisfaction. Utilize Spocket's pricing tools. Spocket provides tools to help you set competitive prices for your products. This includes features like profit margin calculators and suggested retail prices. And there you have it. Connecting your Spocket account to AliExpress is a simple process that can open up a world of possibilities for your online store. By following these steps and utilizing Spocket's features, you can easily source and sell trending products from AliExpress. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.